she's eating. La 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 la. She's got food in the six seasons. La 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 la. She's got jokes and fun and giggles. La 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 la. Healthy meals that she just giggles. La 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 la.
Hey y'all, hey, happy Vlogmas day 8. My sinuses are really getting on my nerves. You can see it in my face. It's just like my nose is a little swollen, a little red. I don't feel sick, but just sinuses. It's been like this for like 4 days. This is Stralisha's second feeding because I realized she probably can't catch too many birds if they're not outside because it's so cold. And the heating bed is not here yet, so there's that on that. Me and my mom just left church. I'm just getting back home, but I'm about to head right back out. Just had to get some more propane for the trailer because it's gonna be cold when I come back from work. But yeah, so that is that on that, y'all. I'll talk to you later. I gotta pack up the things, so I will see you guys live around 5 o'clock. See how I'm breathing? I'm not tired. I can't breathe. I can't breathe, yeah. Okay, y'all, I just arrived at work and I realized, the mom told you had to pick up some kids today, and the back seat is not back seating. So with 5 minutes to spare, I need to clean up this back seat. I need to clean up this back seat real quick. And yes, I brought my nails, y'all. These lasted pretty long. I think it's only been a week, but y'all know it's usually 2 days. So, you know, the nail warriors, y'all been praying for me to get better. This just popped off this morning. I promise y'all, we've been doing good, but I brought them with me. How bad are my eyes? Oh, we're gonna leave these on. Let's just leave these on. All right, let me clean up the trunk. I got 4 minutes now. 40 minutes for the live. I just discovered that I left the just chicken at home. So I either have to go to the store real quick or go to the store real quick. I don't have time to go home because by the time I get home, it will be time to go live with you guys. So
yeah, because she's at my house.
Correct. Adrian, don't. The kids are playing with the phone right now, so I'm just showing you guys that I'm about to make some Brussels sprouts, and I'm really upset that I left not only the chicken that we're supposed to use in the recipe, I left the cream cheese. So we're just making white soup. It's not even chicken chili anymore. It's just a white soup of vegetables. But the kids are literally going to run to go and get a costume because they're playing with the ring light. Like, yeah, they're having a grand old time with this. So I'm about to make some Brussels sprouts that I bought from Sprouts. So I won't be able to talk to you guys again to the live because they're coming back right now. Bye, y'all.
Hey, girls. Wait, are we doing a live or? I like select. Wait, I'm on camera.
So we're doing a live, but then I'm also doing.
Hey, Slay. Like Slay the day. No. Yeah. Ronaldo's the best. You know this is gonna be on YouTube, right? Yep.
Y'all, even though I didn't have that chicken, the soup came out amazing. So let's just call it white, no chicken chili, y'all. It was good. And my Brussels sprouts, amazing. All right, y'all. So I got back home earlier than I thought. I only have one of these glasses. I'm not recording nothing. I already took a shower and cleaned my face. But anyway, guess what arrived? Stralisha's bed. It's some other stuff in here as well for the kids, but let's open it and see what we got. Oh, this for the kids. It's some little puff crafts, so we're gonna do like a little Santa beard or whatever. Also for the kids, I just need to keep this on rotation because this is our paint pad. Y'all didn't ask for that, but I'm just telling you what's in the box. And then finally, oh, it's fuzzy. Okay. No label, it just says Patney self-warming cat mat. Okay, 2-pack. Okay. I'm worried about the fuzzy because it's outside. But okay, let me see. Okay, so boom. Thank God she's small because this is very small. I don't know how this technology works. I don't know if it's just based off of body heat or what. Because I'm like, how does it self-warm? I am confused. But that's how big it is. So not too big at all. And I have 2. So I'm going to put one underneath the tarp and the other one whenever we get that house together. I done told y'all I'm going to get that house together about 5 times. But that's all right. That's all right. Anyway, I'm just closing out. I'm telling y'all good night. Yes, I am wearing this to bed. It's very short. That's why I'm not showing y'all the whole outfit. I did get it from Shein, but it's real short. It's pajamas now. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all on day 8. Peace. Happy Monday. The shelter has fallen down. Not good. So I'm gonna try to fix it. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try. Dang, man. Must have been windy. I'm coming, baby. Here, let's put it in this. Hold on, I'm gonna bring it to you. Uh-oh. Here you go. Now, see how we're gonna fix. I mean, this has come completely around. Hold on, I gotta put my other glove on. Oh, I'm scaring you. I'm sorry. My bad. She said, why would you do this when I'm trying to eat? I'm trying to give you a dry place to eat. Hold on, I'm gonna scare you for 2 seconds. I'm really surprised the vine let go right here. That was in the other loop. These vines are so strong. This is probably not gonna work either. Well, for right now, I'm gonna loop it, just pull it again, and go ahead and get her warm in bed and put it down here. So I have this old shower mat. I want to get another outside rug to put up there, but I don't know if that's way too big and way too extra right now. So we're gonna go with an old shower mat, and then we're gonna put the cat bed on top of that, because obviously we don't want to touch the ground. All right, so I went back to Amazon, and apparently it's both sides, but since it's outside, let's go ahead and do the gray side, because these fuzzies are gonna get dirty immediately. So, all right. I know, I'm scaring the heck out of you. All right, there you go, girl. I don't know if I should put it right under there or what, but oh, she ran away. I was doing too much. Let me fix her food. She probably like, girl, you're doing way too much. Okay. All right, so that's there. Oh, Stray Leisha, I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry, y'all. I messed up her whole breakfast. All right, well, let me leave. She'll come back later and finish that. Should I back it up a little bit more? Okay. Okay. She came back to eat her breakfast in peace, because why is this lady doing too much? Okay. Obviously, I won't be here to see if she's going to get in the bed, but it's there. She saw me touching it, so hopefully she knows it's nothing scary. But all right. I'm about to make breakfast. Just going to do some of my sprouted bread with that just egg. And here's the chicken we left yesterday, but we'll try this today. And yeah, I'm gonna make a just egg sandwich. Probably with some mayo. Oh, and here is the sour cream we left last night. Yep, but that's okay. The soup slap without it. It really does. Just in case y'all were wondering, yes, I'm still taking my Black Girl vitamins. I actually just ordered another bottle. Link in the description box down below. All right, y'all, checking in. I got 2 down and 1 to go. The girls are sleeping, so just you. But I'm about to heat up my lunch and eat, and then I'll try to push them to bed. But I can't do too much with my stomach growling, so. Say hi. What? Okay, all right, bye. Oh, you showing the people what I got? Okay, tell them we got leftover Thanksgiving mac and cheese. It was in the freezer. Everybody calm down. Same kale from, what, 2 or 3 days ago. Yep, show the people. Tofu, same tofu 3 or 4 days ago. And tomatoes. It's hot. Hot, yeah, I told you, hot. Yeah, it's still hot. Still hot. All of it's hot. Y'all, I walked into that restaurant. I just got my mama something to eat from Spice House. I walked in, it was daylight. I only waited like 20 minutes. I mean, I know. I'm fully aware that 5:20 to 5:40 is, unfortunately now, it's dark. But it's just still like a, how long was I in? Y'all, it was daylight when I walked in. I sat there, edited the vlog you're watching right now. And the sun said, girl. The sun said, bye. Didn't tell me, didn't say nothing. Just walked out. Just an Irish goodbye. Oh, yeah, look. With my nails. One popped off at work, and I said, you know what? We're not doing the half nails, half not. Pop them all off. I said, get them all off. So I'm gonna be nail free for probably till Saturday. All right, y'all, let's head home and put this vlog out for today. All right, y'all, the time has finally come. Let's try this just chicken. And yes, I'm holding y'all to it. Okay, y'all said, am I holding it right? I'm holding y'all to it. All right, that is gonna be delicious. Can y'all read that? All right, great. It has soy. It has soy and wheat. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. All right, here we go. First look. Instagram reality. It don't look too bad actually though. It really don't. It just gotta add a seasoning to it. It does not look too bad. All right, let's bring it on to the stove. Come on to the stove. Walk with me. You can't walk, can you? Because you're not really here. There you go. You walking. There you go. Well, let's move this handle. Okay. All right, let's use some grapeseed oil. All right, boom. I'm putting this vlog out tonight, y'all. Y'all getting 2 days. I knew yesterday was going to be so short. So, y'all getting this vlog tonight. Now, I ain't going to hold you. I don't care how good this is. For $8, I need double this. I can eat all this tonight. For 8 doll hairs? I'm saying ew because that smells real. That smells like real raw chicken. All right, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Ain't no point in me doing anything with this while it's frozen. We'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, y'all. I have been shaking this kind of on and off, but I haven't added any seasonings yet. Let's see if it got a little brown. Okay, got a little melanin, not too much, but boom. So let's go ahead and kind of flip these over. Yes, I have abuela hands. Yes, baby. Just do it fast. I promise you, you'll be okay. And let's go ahead and season this up. First things first, let's take some poultry seasoning because we're making poultry. Period. All right, sprinkle that kind of all around. This is not how you season things, y'all. Season in a bowl, okay? This is just pure, lazy, don't want to wash too many dishes. That's me, okay? If you want to know the truth about me, that's what it is. I'm adding a little bit more oil to the pan because this is not a non-stick, all right? Just some white pepper from yesterday. I mean, it's my white pepper period, but it's right here because I had this yesterday. And then let's just do some Crazy Janes because I'm thinking about, you know, just eating this either in a salad or with the soup we made yesterday. So I don't want to go too heavy. Plus we want to taste the product, but let's be clear. You're not going to eat unseasoned chicken. So I'm not going to say, oh, let me taste it plain. You would never. So let's not do that. Let's not go that far. Uh-oh, I done turned it off. Y'all see that? Now we are seasoned. And now we can finish the cooking process. All right, so I'll be back in another 3 minutes. Okay, great. All right, we are back. Let's give it another flip. Okay. Hold on. I want each piece. I got a nice little crisp on it. So let me make sure each piece is flipped. Yeah, I know y'all be thinking I'm crazy. I cook all the time with cake scrapers. They work. They don't scratch your pans and they don't burn. I don't know the technology. I'm just telling y'all what I be doing. Okay? All right, so there is the flipped over pieces. And for real, I'll be back. 1 more minute. I think they're done. Let's give it 1 more minute. All right, we back. Just for full transparency, I did just go ahead and turn the stove off as soon as I walked away because y'all know I'm queen of residual heat. So let's go ahead and try out our just chicken. Ooh, I'll get this piece right here. Come on, let's get into it. All right, here we go. Smile at it. Honestly, it's okay. I thought I went too heavy with the seasoning. I will put more. I want y'all to see the layers. The camera's not really, there we go. Picking it up a little bit. It gives real chicken. Honestly think you can fool a meat eater with this. I really, really do. It needs more seasoning, but it's not bad. I see why y'all like it. Oh, that piece was good. That piece was real good. This piece here, oh wow, they put like the fat in here. Like there's chicken fat a little bit in. Okay, you know what? I don't know the science. Let's go ahead and make the soup. Put the chicken in there. I'll be right back because we got to put this vlog up. And I don't want y'all to go to bed. Okay, hold on now. All right, y'all. I got the soup from yesterday. And I put a little bit of those Brussels sprouts that I had as well. I forgot to give y'all a pull test. My apologies. So here we go. So here's a piece. Okay. My alarm went off and ruined this pull test. So let's do another one. All right, let's get another piece and do a pull test. Okay, let's start from the top. Let's be fair. Okay, see that, y'all? Like, look, they got the gelatinous part of the chicken. Yeah, this would fool people. I ain't gonna hold you. I really think it would fool somebody. Y'all let me know if you gave it to a meat eater before. I think it would fool them. I'm not gonna hold you. I think they would. I think their flabbers would be gasted. Like, look at that. I'm impressed. I still need double in the bag, but I am impressed. So there is our chicken tortilla soup with actual chicken in there this time. Okay, we're gonna do a taste test, and then I'm finna sit down like I never sat down before and put the vlog out. Y'all ready? Here we go. Let's get into it. Hold on, gotta put a little. I obviously did not make this chicken bite size. I wasn't thinking right. Was not thinking right. Smile at it. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't taste the chicken. The soup covered up all that flavor, but the texture is nice with the soup. It's just that, you know, y'all know we don't really be needing meat in half the recipes. I'm not talking about nutrition wise. Meat eaters who watch me, calm down. I'm saying mostly you want that texture that you know of. That's all that is. This is just adding texture to the soup, because baby, the soup is seasoned down. Okay, so it's just adding texture. I'm not gonna put the rest of this chicken in my soup just because I don't taste it. But I can add this to my breakfast, maybe a chicken and egg sandwich in the morning. All right, y'all. That is the end of day 8. I will see y'all day 9. Bye.